Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2009 VE Commodore Sv6 ute. It's a HSV optioned up one. I think that's a hard lid. It's got the 3.6 LLT motor, automatic. As you can see, it's taken a whack in the front there. 146,000 kilometres. Open it up for you and have a look there. 146692. Fairly tidy and original in here. Airbags have gone off there. We've got the hard lid there. Got a good tailgate and a rear bar. Nice and tidy. Compliance plate there, and the RA, I can't read that. Where are we? 91109. And I'll just pop the bonnet for you. Have a look there. Oops, the grill falls out. A bit dusty under here. Sorry about that. There it is there, the LLT V6. And there's our little HSV individual tag. Options EWS. I'm assuming that's a hard lid. Okay, there it is. One SV6 VE ute for dismounting at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. You can give us a call on the number on the wall, that's us there, for your Commodore parts or any other car parts for that matter. And we'll be only too glad to hear from you. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.